Lawyers from all over the country were out and about this week, taking part in annual Law Week celebrations. In Sydney, Law Expo was the first event off the blocks and was officially opened by President of the New South Wales Law Society, Stuart Westgarth, and the New South Wales Attorney-General Greg Smith. And just to throw in something you don't see every day, the Attorney-General and his band, The Tokens, kicked off the celebrations in style, taking the stage in Martin Place and delighting the crowd with their repertoire of folk and country tunes.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside.
Smith and his band were the first in a long line of lawyers to show off their musical talent on stage throughout the day, including a choir, a tap dancer and a jazz guitarist. So apart from entertainment, what is Law Week all about? Lawyers Weekly had the chance to ask a few of the Expo's participants this very question.
So I'm here with Anthony Jucha, who's a lawyer. He's also the MC of today's Law Week festivities. Anthony, tell me a little bit about what you're doing today.
Well, today they're having lawyers on stage who have other talents other than law, so musicians, opera singer, tap dancer, classical guitarist, this sort of thing. So they put the call out for lawyers who want to perform. I'm emceeing them and introducing them to show that there's more to us as a profession.
Fantastic, and I saw the new South Wales Attorney-General performing this morning.
Yeah, they tried to get him in for the main lineup and apparently he said no, or it didn't happen, but then he must have had the second thoughts and at the last second they had him on this morning. So he missed the lunchtime crowd, but yeah, I think they're very excited about that.
Fantastic. And Anthony, what's Law Week all about?
Well, I had to look it up too, seeing as I was emceeing this event. And what it's about is to promote better community understanding of the law, legal system and the legal profession. So demystify the law, I guess, for people and make us lawyers look like better people.
Attorney-General Greg Smith, who spoke to Lawyers Weekly after his performance, said Law Week represents an opportunity for lawyers to shake off bad press and educate the public about the good things lawyers do for the community. Stuart Westgarth said Law Week provides an opportunity to increase public understanding about our laws and how they work, and also to promote access to justice, particularly for disadvantaged members of the community. The President of New South Wales Young Lawyers also gave us his views about Law Week.
And we're with Daniel Petroshenko of the Young Lawyers Association. Daniel, what's Law Week all about?
Well, Law Week is a week. It was 1 week in the year where members of the legal profession, the branches all come together and they have a chat with the public and try and engage the public, educate the public in what lawyers really do and how they can get access to justice as well.
Okay, and what are you hoping to achieve today? Why are young lawyers here?
Well, we're young lawyers and we get a variety of questions from parents, from students who are studying law and they want to know what they can do to advance their career in the law, but also we get questions from the public and we're here to promote what we do. Some of the publications that we do, such as New Land, New Law. A lot of refugees who first come to the country don't know about the law, and that's where young lawyers come into play. We educate and we help members of the public can further understand what lawyers actually do.
There were almost 30 stalls at this year's event, including organisations and associations such as the Courts and Tribunal Services, the New South Wales Police, Fair Trading, Legal Aid New South Wales, the New South Wales Public Trustee and Guardian, Law Access and Community Justice Centres. But it wasn't all serious, with MC Anthony Jucha taking it upon himself to lighten things up a little.
And I understand that you're going around collecting lawyer jokes. Do you
That's
have
right.
any that you could share with us at the moment?
Sure, a good sharp one. How do you get a lawyer out of a tree?
I have no idea.
You cut the rope. Yeah, it's tough, isn't it? That's tough. Well, another good one someone told me is what's the difference between a sperm and a lawyer?
Tell me.
A sperm has at least a 1 in a million chance of becoming a human being. So, yeah, lawyer bashing is a very popular hobby.
We leave you now with some extra footage of Greg Smith and the Tokens rocking out at Law Week.
The summer's gone and all the roses fall. 'tis you, must go, and I must bide.